Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a quick and fun wrap top in a minute. So stay tuned to the end to see other fun way you can style this wrap top. This is a very easy tutorial. All you need is just a piece of fabric. The width of this is 21 and then the length I'm using 16. So now I'm folding two. I'm going to cut out the neck area. I'm using 4" from the tip, and then the depth I'm using 6" for it. So this is depending on how deep and wide you want your neck to be. So next step, I'm just going to pipe the edges to give it a neat finish, including the neck area. I'm just going to take it in to give it a perfect finish. If today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button for more fun DIY fashion tips and tricks videos. So this has been a look like afterward. Now I'm just going to use this piece of fabric to create the band. The big band is 4" wide and then 60" long. The small band is 1.2" wide and then 46" long. So the big band is going to come from the back to the front. So note that from the very beginning of this video, you already see how to wear this. So you can make your band longer than this if you want. Mine is 60". You can make it way longer, depending on how you want the band to tie at the front. So now I'm just going to fold it in and then match it. I'll do the same for the smaller band, which is going to come from the front to the back. So I'm just going to fold it like this and then fold it in from it, seaming and then sew on top to give it a perfect finish. So this is going to look like afterwards. So this is ready for wear. It's something that when you feel like you don't have clothes anymore, just quickly do this and then you are ready to go. There are different ways you can actually style this, which you're going to see about now. And if you want more ways to style this outfit, just visit my Instagram at Esosandra. I will post pictures on that. So this is another way I style this outfit. I feel it's just so fun. Now, please don't forget to like those videos, share to your friends, and then subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye for now.